Hello everyone, I hope so you guys are safe. I miss you so much. So we are going to keep working with value, the tones of the light and the darkest color. So you can see on around your house many objects that you can use to draw. And maybe from the kitchen I will suggest. So every time that you are drawing, make sure that you are finding the lighter colors, the projection of the light on the object. So of course, if the light is not directly to the object, that is going to be your darkest areas. So imagine if we put a container on here, so you can find that you can draw some darker, maybe not too dark. Right now you can see it, but this area will be the darker color that you can use. To draw metal and make all this kind of contrast is different, but still you can do some areas darker and some areas lighter. This is that I did very quick. So we have the darkest color will be the one that is supported on the surface, the darkest color. And because we are not receiving light here, so that can be darker, some areas for light and a little gray tones. So to do this one, I'm going to show you very quick how you can start. So basically they are circles and ovals and geometric shapes. So we can make an oval, this goes straight, you see, and then we do a little curve. It's almost like a rectangle. So, but because it's a circular object, we need to do the curve. So here it is. Inside still is another oval. So imagine that this is the container with liquid, with the soup. So here it is, and a little straight line. Don't worry about detail. That is not like a perfect drawing, like the reality. No, we are just practicing. And the shadow, the surface, the horizontal line that made the object on the table. So here it is. So what we do, we are going to start to find darker color. If you guys had a color pencil, that would be beautiful to do it with color pencil. So this is the easy part that we can create. Darker colors, lighter colors, the projection of the light, so it's not going to have a color. And this one can be very dark. Let me see if I find a black color here that can help me. I was working with a pencil, but of course with color pencil, black color pencil, it can color much better, dark. Anyway, I want that you be creative. Go around your house, find some object that you like, draw it, and then you need to create those areas of contrast, darker and lighter colors. Don't forget to do a little table, because that is going to give you the sensation that the object is supported. You can mix colors. Another good idea, you can also trace a teaspoon. And if you put a little piece of white paper underneath, you can see better the shadows, the reflection of the color. I'm going to do a little color here for the soup, or some liquid, so you can see the contrast. Still, this is going to have a little contrast, so it's not flat. Lines is a very important element of art. The value create that contrast. The textures create more organic and natural reality of the objects. Anyway, please be creative. I'm going to show you again that I work a little more in detail with this one. And also, look, I draw the teaspoon. I see you want to trace the teaspoon, don't put it like this, put it backwards, and you can trace it, and then you turn over, and then you can see all these shadows that create the teaspoon on the surface. And if you see this very clear, that white areas is the light, and the other areas can be some different tones, like a lighter gray colors, and the darkest will be the black. Don't forget, this is the darkest color always. The cast shadow, the one that is reflected on the surface. Okay, let me know if you have questions. You need to sign out in Google Classroom. If you are not able to send the drawing by Google Classroom, so just send me by Dojo. Please be aware, in Dojo also I am send you reminders, updates, okay? Okay guys, be safe, take care. You are taking